What's up, guys? Moto Maniac coming at you. We are headed to Lancaster, Kentucky. We just bought a car on eBay. We bought a 2002 Kia Rio. Supposedly has 131,000 miles on it, and they cannot get the reverse to work. It's an impound at the Girard County impound lot. Got my boy with me.
What's up, guys?
We're leaving Louisville, Kentucky. We're jumping on Highway 64 East. It's about an hour, 40-minute ride. We paid $382.77 for this car. We'll be back online when we get there. So guess what? I forgot to stop and get the money. We had to make a detour. Getting ready to walk in here to Chase Bank and grab the money that we need to be able to get this car. All right, guys, we got the money. Go get this car. But it ought to be a real interesting, fun trip.
Sickest in the room. It's gonna be a good trip. I'm not from this state, as you can see, but I'm excited to go out there. It's gonna be a fun trip no matter what. It's always never a dull moment. It's gonna be a good trip. I have a little cousin out there going to school near Eastern Kentucky. I'm really interested to see where the thing's parked, but I know we can back it out. Yeah, I'm gonna drive and let Brian handle the rest.
Got this. We're back online when we get to Girard County. All right, guys, we're in Girard County, Lancaster, Kentucky. Here at the courthouse. Looking for the car. I don't see it yet. Oh, I do see the car. Let's go over here and check it out real quick before we go inside. I think that's it, maybe. That is it. $382.
Is that it?
That is it.
Hey, it's got Funyuns in the back. I called dibs.
It's got Funyuns in the back. Sweet. It is unlocked.
We need somebody to move.
Let's go in here and take care of the paperwork. All right, guys, the moment of truth. We own the car.
I do like.
How do we switch this thing? I don't know how I turn the camera around, but we own the car.
Let me see.
It's not on there. And we are going to, it's not it. We're going to see if it will start. I have no idea what to expect right now. Ugh. Let's see. Oh, of course the battery's dead. I don't know, maybe it's not. All right, so she does start.
Actually, real quiet. Sounds like it's running. It's got plenty of gas to make it back.
If the fuel gauge works, I got plenty of gas.
Yeah.
138,000 miles.
Pop the trunk.
It's really, really dirty. Wayne wants to see the trunk for some reason.
All being haters. Recovery. The trunk doesn't go up.
It didn't come up. Oh well. I'm sure there's not a body in it. We'll keep you guys updated whenever we get on the road. Oh, I popped the hood.
The hood, yeah, do the trunk.
All right, guys, we'll be back. I'll let you know how it runs when we get back. So we're at McDonald's. We had to stop and get a bite to eat. There's some old Wayne, fat ass still overeating. There's a car out there. So far, I've only drove it a couple miles. It runs and drives real good. No problems. Let y'all know how it does. 2-hour ride home. What's up, guys? Moto Maniac. I got sickest in the room following me in the old Crown Vic back there, trying to act like a police. I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but 2002 Kia Rio. It's got the roll-up windows, nothing special, power nothing. 5-speed manual. Hey guys, what's up? We're about 30 minutes from home, getting ready to jump on I-64. The car is doing awesome. I can't believe I got this car for 380 bucks. eBay's a great way to make money if you know what you're looking for. You gotta spend time looking around, finding the good deals though. You're not just gonna jump on there and it's, you know, in an hour you're gonna make money. You gotta look around, learn the system, and it can be done. I just wanted to show you what it's like in Kentucky right now. Car's handling it like a trooper. Alright guys, so the car made it. We're back in Louisville. I'm sitting in another truck that I bought. I bought this truck for 600 bucks. It has 221,000 miles, 129. It does have a service engine soon light on. Has a blinker out, obviously. The thermostat don't work. The temperature gauge stays down. It needs a thermostat. It needs a battery. Little things like that. But I could probably sell it the way it sits right now for $1,000 and make $400 easy. It's got the console, the big console. It's got leather interior. You know, it's a little dirty. Other than that, it's a nice little truck. Four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive works. I've already tested it. It works good. 600 bucks for the truck. 380 for the car. Here's the truck. It's a 2000 Chevrolet Blazer, 221,000 miles. We're gonna park the car. Nice little stereo in it. It ain't safe, it ain't safe. Alright guys, that's how you can make some easy money on eBay, man. You just gotta look out for the deals. You gotta learn how to use the eBay app and the eBay online service, first of all. Then clean these things up a little bit, man, and I'll make, you know, it's tax season. This car will go for 15 easy. It'll be gone as soon as I put it on there. The truck will go for at least 1,000 the way it sits. If I do a little bit of work, I get 15 out of it. So I'm looking at close to $2,000 profit, you know, with just a couple hours worth of work, just driving to go to get the vehicles. All right, guys. Hey, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway also for the channel to get the channel going a little bit. I'm gonna be making motorcycle videos. I ride motorcycles, and doing more of this, going and getting cars and showing y'all how it works. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway here soon. I don't know what the prize is gonna be, but it's gonna be something cool. So subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, share with your friends, let them know. I don't know what the prize will be yet. I'm thinking of it right now, but it'll be something pretty cool. All right, guys, until next time, Moto Maniac out.